All right, let's get in this. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Look at this premium message introducing Galaxy Z Fold 2 5G. Reimagine the possibilities. I just got this today. It's a custom Galaxy Z Fold 2 with a gold hinge. I waited 5 damn weeks for this thing, and I'm way too excited to get this open. Cause 5 weeks is a long fucking time to get a phone. Excuse my language, but I see a bunch of pamphlets, a bunch of papers that nobody reads. Let's get to the reason why we're here. Let's open this phone. Ooh. Oh, this thing is beautiful. Look at that. Oh, this thing feels good too. Let me get this plastic off. This way. Comes this way. I didn't read any of those care instructions. My first foldable phone. Probably should read it, but why do that when I can just see it? Oh, fingerprint magnet for sure. Wait, let's get that fold. Let's make that fold happen. Oh, let's got that gold hinge. Oh, this thing is beautiful. I saw pictures of it, but it's even more beautiful in person. Oh wow. You know what? It is worth the 5 week wait. Oh, this thing feels so good, so premium. Let me get everything plugged in, set up, and turn on. Give me a couple seconds. I was so excited to get to the phone that I completely forgot to go through the rest of this. Of course, is the premiere service that technically I was supposed to, I think, get done before the 30th, but I'll figure that out later. Of course, the charging brick. I think this is a 15 watt, I believe it comes with. Yes, that should be a 15 watt if my math's right. And the USB-C cable, the most important part. I don't think there's anything else in this box. Nothing in there. Well, that's all. Okay, now let me get the phone set up. Oh wow. Oh, this thing is beautiful. This phone, that gold hinge, is so nice. It was worth the 5 week wait. Wait. Oh, the whole reason I got this phone. Look at that. And it just feels so good to fold. Like it's hard to explain. It like feels so premium. And the gold hinge just makes it look way higher end. Like it looks like a $2,000 phone. This is insane. Ah, let's see. Let's go through the setup. Wait. It's just a simple, yeah, blah blah blah. English, terms and conditions. Yeah. Just take all my information. I'm fine with that. Let's get the Wi-Fi set up. Let me do that off camera. I can't let y'all know my password. Oh wow. I mean, it just feels good. Like this feels like it's worth the money I essentially paid to buy this phone. Like honestly, they did a good job just making that first experience feel super high end. Like one thing I will say is I think I saw people saying the bezels were big on the inside, but honestly, it's really not that big. It's actually a lot small. They're a lot smaller than I expected them to be. Oh, and that hinge, I can't get over the hinge. Just like how good it looks. It just looks nice, high end. Oh, okay. All right, I'll be back when the phone's fully set up. I promise this time. All right, so now I got the phone on. Got it all set up. I'm transferring all the stuff from my OnePlus, and I thought this was a good time to kind of do a comparison, anyways, to like see what the screen's like. So the front screen is definitely a lot smaller than I expected it to be. It's not bad, it's still usable, but it's definitely going to be a weird switch coming from a OnePlus 7 Pro, which is my old phone. I got it here doing the data transfer. So yeah, that one is probably immediately noticed, but probably the best part is when I went to the big screen, oh, how much better that was. Like it's almost like having two phones in one, and I just kind of love that. Like the interface is very nice. They really adapted it to the larger screen size. One thing I was playing around with was YouTube because I saw that when you open YouTube, I was watching that. Do you see how you have two videos side by side? Like I like that the interface does that. It adapts to essentially a tablet mode. And then when you do watch a video on YouTube, it fills the entire top half, which is with like the huge video. The speakers were also pretty impressive. Let me blast these real fast and let you hear them. This is a pretty far away from the mic. My mic's over here to the right. So what it's picking up right now is purely the audio quality.
Jones, part of handling this ball. The ball got deflected by. I think LeBron was
So yeah, let
stealing
me
this
turn that
ball.
down. Yeah, actually mute that. Yeah, and then when you go full screen, you get the black bars. I kind of see myself using this more in multitasking mode because of that. But it's still nice, like just nice large video. But I see myself using it more like this, where I have the comments on the bottom, or maybe like another app on the bottom. Um, Speaking of that, you can actually do the multitasking. Let me see. Of course, I'm horrible at setting up this interface. Coming from OnePlus, where the multitasking was a little different. Oh, actually, you can just do this, can't you? Yeah, there you go. So you can actually do two apps side by side, which is very nice. Where the way I was using it earlier, or like moments ago when I was just testing it out, was more like this. Which how I can imagine myself doing it, literally running like a YouTube video in like a large screen size and just scrolling through an app. This is just awesome as hell, especially since you can customize the size and the interface is really simple. They make it really easy to switch between two things side by side, that way or top bottom. I know, actually, let me just do that real fast since it's a feature I should show off. You can actually add a third app into this. Just by bringing it here, boom, and now you have dismiss, leave me alone, three apps all running at once, which is pretty awesome. But I really see myself more using it like this with two screens side by side instead of three at a time, which is pretty neat. And you just swipe away to get rid of an app, which is a really nice, simple, easy to use interface. Overall, like just immediately looking at it, the experience is great. Like it feels nice, it's fast. They've really thought about how to use, like actually Spotify's another example on how to use the app, like how this app's on a bigger screen, how this pops up on the left hand side and this is on the right. I know not every app is optimized for that. I know that's the biggest complaints I've heard, but honestly, for what it is right now, it works very great. The cameras, I'm probably gonna take a few pictures. I'm gonna open up the interface. Oh wow, that's nice. You get a big, nice viewfinder. I know flex mode's a big deal. Yeah, where it does this, where when you flex it on the left, it brings up a previous taken image, and on the right, it brings up the viewfinder. And as you take photos, you can see them pop up. Yeah, that's nice. That's actually pretty neat. So I like the little flex mode they have too. That seems very useful. I'm probably gonna take some actual high quality photos and film the video here. I'm probably gonna do a natural light night, dark out with dark mode on now. But yeah, so far so good. Like I'm probably gonna play with it more. I'm definitely gonna customize the hell out of it. I'm gonna try out a bunch of launchers. I plan on doing a few videos where I put different launchers on it, and try to play around with switching between launchers when you close the screen and open the screen. But for now, that's all I want to do is just show off just the phone, unboxing it, the quick little things to look at. To sum it up, it feels very nice. The custom hinge is gorgeous. It was worth the 5 week wait. Overall, everything about it is just great. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.